Welcome back to Poetry and Police. Please remember to subscribe and share. Hit that notification bell. Now, I am back at Tommy Thompson one more time, because I have some new developments and some new information about that criminal Tommy Thompson. I'm not afraid to call him a criminal because Tommy Thompson is not a good person. Tommy Thompson is a thief. After Tommy Thompson took the farmers' money and took the farmers' yam and disappeared, he contacted the farmers because they were trying to reach out to him, but they couldn't reach out to him. And when they did contact Tommy Thompson, you know what Tommy Thompson did? Tommy Thompson directed the men to Greenwich Farm area, to the Greenwich Farm area of Kingston 13, Greenwich Farm area. And the farmers were going to head to the Greenwich Farm area. Poor farmers, them from Manchester, don't even know what they might get themselves involved in, because they don't know where is Greenwich Farm and how dangerous the Greenwich Farm area is. And they were told to contact Tommy Thompson at Greenwich Farm. And while the farmers were going to go to visit Tommy Thompson, the plan was to kill the farmers. Tommy Thompson had arranged to murder the farmers so as not to pay the farmers their money. By ambushing the farmers in Greenwich Farm, the farmers from the country to ambush the farmers in Manchester and murder the farmers because he did not want to pay them their money. Luckily, somebody knew a link to the farmers and gave them a heads up that, listen, do not go down to Greenwich Farm to visit that man because they are planning on murdering the farmers. Luckily, somebody said that, or else those two men would have died over their own money by Tommy Thompson. So when Tommy Thompson comes on social media talking about he is a good person, this and that, and he's not capable of... Tommy Thompson is capable of murder. He's capable of arranging murder. If he wanted to kill the two farmers for their money, then he will do anything else for money. And that I told you in the first video that Tommy Thompson is not a good person. Tommy Thompson is a wolf in sheep clothing. You know what? He's even funeral home. I'll be a gunman, Tommy Thompson, Barry. Tommy Thompson is aligned to the People's National Party. That is his alignment. And his alignment to Vybz Kartel too. Because I was told about that at one instant he was in court, in the Vybz Kartel court, for support. So this man, Tommy Thompson, is tricking the Jamaican people just because he run bright light. A flashy funeral home, he run a gunman funeral home, he have. And mostly gangsters, Tommy Thompson, Berry and high rollers, nothing else. Rob two innocent farmers and try to murder the men over their own money. Trust me. And then you come on social media talking about you are innocent and you are a God-fearing person and you have a good heart. You have no bad heart, Tommy Thompson. And I'm telling you that you can take it up with me because I'm not afraid of nobody, Tommy Thompson. Any day, anytime, Tommy Thompson. You think you can try ambush me like you ambush the farmers them? The man them should have called me and let me follow them to Greenwich Farm. It's only a pity they never call me and let me follow them to the Greenwich Farm with a team to take out whosoever you sent to kill them and find you and sort you out too. Your germs. So listen, people, I want you to listen carefully now. What one of the farmers who Tommy Thompson had robbed and tried to murder over their own money. Listen what the farmer has to say about Tommy Thompson and how Tommy Thompson tried to kill them in the Greenwich Farm area. Yeah, man, so Tommy Thompson is nobody good, man. My portray a thing like, nobody good, but me the want the Jamaican people know where him put you and Mikey through. Mikey dead and gone, but you still alive. You know what I mean? And me not thinking how much money him did rob up. Because enough money though. Millions, not true?
Yes, man. I wouldn't tell me to call to me and share the balance.
But let me ask you a question now. When Tommy Thompson did take the money from you and run away, how far in run away, right?
No, but we go report it to materials kind of police.
Yeah, I remember that Mikey had called me and me tell him what to do and I did carry him to the station.
And then when the man called me now, when the policeman he knew that red bike, my name Woodstock.
Woodstock,
Yes, I him called me now and said, we come at town next Friday because they hold him it was the 6th of August one Independence Day.
So how long him they have the money for before they hold him?
because we can't find him because he changed up at this family. Because we can't find him, having good time.
Good time. Over more than a year?
Like a year.
Okay.
But remember, say, after we are going all over, now we switch up and take we on to take we on somewhere down not this bad place here. Oh, God, I can't remember the name. I just miss when I feel that. What need the puppy?
You know, Grange Farm?
Grange Farm.
So, I don't the same go?
Yes, I don't I have the. When I net on the plan to kill me.
We are said it. So, hold on, so instead of pay on them plan for kill no?
The main plan because when then we go all over, now they send somebody come up before they come down at Grange Farm. So when the youth come call me for and you can call me out when me this that and I'm his grandson. I'm going to tell him, and he says soon come. Okay, because I realize that somebody don't agree this farm now. The guy says soon come. I'm going to tell him that who is it. What you do? I can't write his name. I'm going to send that you don't call me.
Yeah.
Absolutely. You see, man, you don't know no friends don't say, you know. That the man there. And I found it to know the dark.
So the man take on the money and plan and did I try killing if you not pay or no?
Yes, man. We have to give it up because they plan everything up. Alright.
But you're sure see the same Tommy Thompson this way? Because him what you know him own a funeral home now. You know the name of the funeral home?
Yeah, man, right.
Okay, Brian. So me ask you a question. So you know see him again from them time they do?
One more time, not just one time in Jawan they come here.
Oh, him coming at your place with a dead?
Yes, come down and panel and when I miss
So like you said before, you look like you respect the police when dealing with the case. Because you talk highly of people. What's the policeman name when dealing with the case?
My name is Mr. Woodstock.
Mr. Woodstock, what rank him was? Okay, what? So you respect the policeman named Woodstock or Matilda's kind of deal with the case, though?
Yes, man.
Yes, man, big time.
And he tell me, I don't know. He tell me, when I come for the implant, too.
Okay.
Come for the Manchester.
So, you know how much your money did to give Tommy Thompson, so?
I went up here, man.
So, 1,000.
I went up here, man. We are together. No, man.
So, when did I operate from? When did I operate from the time? Which part of the carry yam go to him?
From World Road.
Okay, so this one give him the yam and then he just cut road with the money.
Right against the man. At the time, him and the PMP headquarters, they said outside.
Oh, he did the next to the PMP headquarters. Yes, but when he go to court, what the judge do? When do him do plead guilty for the thing or him just and decide to pay on the back hour?
Yeah, man, we plead guilty, man. The judge asked him to. So the judge asked him to bring the farmer money. He bring the farmer. And I came and say, the judge said no. And the judge ordered him. When we come in, after them, we start make court yet. And everything we come in. And if we pass to the clerk of court, then the clerk of court, give it to me. Right up in the thing.
Okay, so you have to pay back all of the money in a court one time, and you want to pay half.
That's right. Everything.
So when you pay back money, the judge drop the charges against him, or he just then drop the case?
Yeah, then just drop it.
We should have still got a jail fee, even though if you pay back the money and still got a prison, that's happened. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The monster that Tommy Thompson is, the evil that Tommy Thompson is, that he will take millions of dollars worth of yams from two innocent farmers and hid from the farmers, rob the farmers of so much money, and at the same time you are trying to set up the farmers to be killed in the Greenwich Farm area. Poor farmers from Manchester didn't even know what type of area Greenwich Farm was. I hear the farmer said that they were told not to come back to Hope Road to contact you, but rather to meet you in the Greenwich Farm area. They didn't even know what type of area Greenwich Farm was, but they needed the money, so they wanted to go to the Greenwich Farm area. Luckily, These farmers knew somebody who knew somebody from the Greenwich Farm area, and when the links were made, it was borne out that Tommy Thompson wanted to kill the farmers. He wanted to lure the farmers to Greenwich Farm, where the farmers would have been murdered, and then he would have been freed from paying the money to the farmers. You see how wicked this man is? And then him come on social media and show off him dirty face like he's nobody. After you allegedly, Tommy Thompson, you allegedly try to set up the farmers' life so as not to pay them. Try to set an ambush for the farmers, trying to murder two farmers for their own money, for their hard-earned money. That is the person that Tommy Thompson is. That is the person that Tommy Thompson is, people. You heard it, people. You heard it from the mouth of the farmer. You heard it from the person that was robbed. You heard it from the mouth of the person who Tommy Thompson tried to kill for his own money. You heard the amount of money and the time that it took. You heard that Tommy Thompson went into court and tried to pay the judge half of the money, and the judge insisted that the entire amount be paid. So even at that time, he still wanted to pay half of the money and not all of the money, even though he had the money. Because if he never had the money, when the judge ordered him to pay the full balance, the full amount owed, it would have never been paid if he did not have the money. So even though he had the money, he still did not want to pay the farmers. So you took the money, man, and don't want to pay for it, and instead you wanted to, it's alleged that you wanted to kill the men so as not to pay them their money. Tommy Thompson, you're a wicked person. Get off social media. You shouldn't even be allowed to run in the business in Jamaica, because you're an evil man. You're an evil man. And that's why I believe all the allegations that are coming out about you, about lizard body and other people's body, nothing will pass you because you love money. Nothing. Anything I hear about that this man Tommy Thompson is related to criminal activities, I believe Tommy Thompson is nothing but a criminal. Welcome back to Poetry and Police.